Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix DREAME TV Soundbar bass distortion. So in order to fix this issue, we're gonna have to manually adjust the equalizer on this TV, and to do that we're gonna have to press the gear button on the remote control to open Quick Settings menu, and here in Quick Settings let's select Sound. And now to adjust sound to our needs, first we're gonna need to disable Dolby and DBX audio processing, then change the sound mode to user, and then go to basic settings. And now here in basic settings, let's go to Equalizer Detail and let's adjust the equalizer manually. So set the decibels for 125 Hz to -6, from -6 to -8, which will be the primary cut of the bass, and the 250 Hz we will set it to as low as -4 to -6. I recommend adjusting it to the first value, so if you set -6 here, select -4 here, and if you selected -8 here, then set to 250 Hz to -6. Now for 500, just like we did previously, adjust these values to the previous two, and they should be set to -2 to -2, or from -2 to -4. Now 1 kHz is neutral, so it can stay the same. Now 2 kHz, let's actually increase the value here from +1 to +3 decibels. And 4 kHz also remains neutral. And now 8 kHz, we should reduce them by 1 or 2 decibels just to reduce the harshness of the sound. And let's set them around like these values. So try using these values for status, so -7, -5, -3, 0, 2, 0, -2, and check out your bass levels and bass distortions. This should fix the issue for you. And that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.